Hi everyone, welcome back to App Guide. I'm back with another tutorial video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to log into your Activision account. So if you're wondering how exactly you can log in, stick with me and follow these step-by-step instructions in order to log into your own Activision account. For this, first of all, head over to your web browser and then go to activision.com. As you go to activision.com, you will land on an interface that looks pretty much like this. Here you'll be able to see that on the upper right hand side there are three horizontal lines. Tap on the horizontal lines, and as you tap on the three horizontal lines, you'll be able to see two options with sign up and login. Since you're already signed up for the account and are wanting to log in, tap on the login option. And when you tap on the login option, you will now be directed towards an interface that will ask you for your credentials in order to sign into your account. So here you'll have to enter your email address that you used previously in order to sign up to the account, and then also enter your password. So here I'm just going to enter my password and then tap on I am not a robot, and after doing so, tap on the sign in button. When you tap on the sign in button, you will now be directed towards a page that will look like the interface that you were on earlier before you started the process of logging into your account. So now what you can do is when you tap on the three horizontal lines, you'll be able to see that the options sign up and login have been replaced by profile and logout, which means that your login has been. So this is basically how you can log into your Activision account. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also, do share and subscribe to App Guide. Thank you for watching. I'll see you around next time.